Student of class 5th. Today we will complete the chapter number 3rd of English literature, My Elder Brother. The page number 35 we have to start. Actually from starting not last second para. Here check. Voloda took me by hand from. Okay. So Voloda took me by my hand and tried to drag me away from the table, but I got hold of the table and pushed it hard with my leg. As a result, the chin and the glass ornaments crashed to the floor. Little boy cried, Voluda, trying to save some of the falling treasures. It is all over between us, I thought as I left the room. Now this time you understand the conversation between talking of. Now, actually, yesterday I had explained from there. So, what is the scene here? Actually, both are talking together, means Leo Tolstoy and Voluda both are talking. Check in the figure, page number 35, given to you, both are talking together. And after they are talking, so now actually here he said, Voluda said, don't take me and don't irritate me, don't push me from you. And after that, Voloda just has taken the hands of Leo Tolstoy and dragging him away from the table. But when they are passing from the table, what happened? It held with my leg, means table. And after what happened? The china and the glass ornament, whatever put on the table, that was fallen down and it crashed on the floor. And after this, after seeing this, what happened? Voloda cried, what happened? What you have done? And trying to save, but Leo Tolstoy was not able to save. And now it is all over between us, I thought as I left the room. Means after that, Leo Tolstoy, the little boy, has just left the room. And on the page number 36, what is there now? So on the page number 36, as soon as the afternoon lesson was over, I left the room. I was too uncomfortable and ashamed to be alone with my brother. But Voloda raised his head, and with a meaningful smile looked at me. Our eyes met, and I knew that he understood me. And he said in a natural voice, "Don't be cross any more. Forgive me if I have offended you." Saying this, he held out his hand, and it was as though something welled up from my heart and nearly choked me. And presently it passed away. The tears rushed to my eyes, and I felt immensely relieved. "Forgive me, Voloda," I stammered, squeezing his hand. Voloda looked at me as if he could not make out at all and why there were tears in my eyes. Leo Tolstoy. Okay. Now understand from the starting of the page number 36. As soon as the afternoon lessons was over, when afternoon lessons was completely over, now I left the room. I means Leo Tolstoy has left the room and feeling what? Uncomfortable, because of already he has not exactly, but unfortunately the china and the glass broken, cracks, and now he was feeling very guilty, very ashamed. And at this time, Leo Tolstoy and Voloda both are alone in the room. And after, Voloda was just raising his head with a meaningful smile. And after, Voloda just trying to say something. And after seeing me, Voloda has started to laugh, smiling actually. And after he understood my feeling, Voloda understood my feeling. And actually, I was feeling guilty, because according to me, that was broken. And after that, he said, Voloda, elder brother, said to me, "Don't be cross anymore." Now, after he said, "Don't be cross anymore," don't, and after that, he said, "Forgive me if I have offended you." And after that, he said, "That forgive me, please forgive me." So he was saying sorry to you. And he held out his hand, means Voloda had said sorry to Leo Tolstoy and just raised hand. For why? For shake. And after that, what happened? It's wailed up. Now after this, my heart, and previous time I was means thinking very deeply that my brother is totally disturbed, but this time I was feeling quite comfortable, relaxed. I revealed And after that, what? I have started to weep. Because of why? Because my brother Voluda's emotion, feeling. I was really impressed. And after there, a lot of tears in my eyes. But after this, I felt really comfortable, relieved. And now, after that, Leo Tolstoy, the narrator of this chapter, he said to Voluda, "Please, brother, my brother, forgive me what I have done for previous time. Please forgive me." And now, trying to squeezing his hand, and Voluda, elder brother, looked at Leo Tolstoy, and in both, means Leo Tolstoy and Voluda, in both, there are some tears in their eyes. And that story completed, and it's written by Leo Tolstoy, and here given excerpt from his true autobiographical novel Boyhood, originally written in Russian and translated by C.G. Hacker. Okay, this one completed. Question answer I will give you later. Okay, thanks.